Differences in attitudes toward statistics in traditional versus online courses. My name is Aleise Nooner. Within the last few years, online courses have increased in popularity as technology has advanced. Even in recent weeks, we have witnessed traditional courses quickly forced online. In tandem with this heightened popularity of e-learning, questions have been raised not just about the efficacy of online courses, but how students feel about them compared to traditional courses. In this research study, an online course is defined as a course in which all instruction and assignments are delivered through the internet. A traditional course is characterized by the method of delivering all or most instruction in a face-to-face lecture or classroom-based setting. To assess potential differences between traditional and online undergraduate statistics courses, our research team utilized a survey of attitudes towards statistics 36. We sought and received permission from its creator, Dr. Candice Shao, to use it free of charge for 1 year.
My name is Eleanor Pulliam. The SATS 36 is a valid, reliable, and copyrighted instrument. It has been used widely in research conducted in the United States and internationally. The SATS 36 consists of 36 prompt items scored on a Likert scale from 1 to 7, which assess 6 attitude components. These being affect, or students' positive and negative feelings concerning statistics; cognitive competence, students' attitudes about their intellectual knowledge and skills when applied to statistics; value, or students' attitudes about the usefulness, relevance, and worth of statistics in personal and professional life; difficulty, students' attitudes about the difficulty of statistics as a subject; interest, which is students' level of individual interest in statistics; and effort, the amount of work students expend to learn statistics. We received approval from the AState Institutional Review Board for this study, and with the assistance of course professors, the survey was distributed online via Qualtrics to students enrolled in statistics courses in the spring 2020 term at 4 universities in the Mid-South: Arkansas State University, Jonesboro; Arkansas State University, Querétaro, or ASUQ; University of Arkansas Little Rock, UALR; and University of Memphis, U of M. Of these universities, 91 students were enrolled online and 108 in traditional statistics courses. The Qualtrics link containing the SATs remained available to students for the first 2 weeks of their course. This was in order to ensure students' true first impression attitudes were reflected in our survey results. The data was then collected, entered, and analyzed in IBM SPSS 24 using a multivariate analysis of variance, MANOVA, with the instructional format traditional versus online being the independent variable and the 6 attitude components the dependent variables. Preliminary assumption testing was conducted to check for normality, linearity, univariate and multivariate outliers, homogeneity of variance-covariance matrices, and multicollinearity. Although some minor violations were noted, these did not impact the overall results. Additional demographic characteristics of students who completed the survey are noted in Table 1. Table 2 shows descriptive statistics on the 6 attitude components for students in online and traditional courses. As noted in Table 3, there was a statistically significant difference between attitudes toward online and traditional statistics courses on the combined dependent variables. When the results for the 6 dependent variables of the attitude components were considered separately, 2 differences reached statistical significance, using a Bonferroni adjusted alpha level of 0.008. These were affect and difficulty. An inspection of the mean scores indicated that students enrolled in the traditional courses reported higher levels of positive affect and lower levels of difficulty. In other words, these students felt more positive about the course and thought it would be easier compared to students enrolled in online statistics courses.
Although this was a preliminary study, findings suggest important differences in initial attitudes between students taking online compared to face-to-face courses. Our plan was to conduct a follow-up post-test with these same students at the end of the spring 2020 term. However, all of these students will not be taking statistics online, so the comparisons between course formats will not hold. Still, we hope to continue this research in future semesters to track changes in attitudes towards statistics for these instructional formats. With an increase in online instruction expected, It will be especially important to address the attitudes of affect and difficulty. It seems likely that students who feel more positive about taking a statistics course and believe it will not be difficult will be destined to have better learning outcomes.